Okay friends, welcome to IACA. Today we are going to discuss IBPS PO prelims grant test number 14. Now, friends, take first question. Here again, first question is from sitting arrangement. Question number 66 to 78. 9 people RSTU, VWX, Y and Z sit in a straight row. Number of persons facing north is at least 2 more than number of persons facing south. Yes. So, number of persons facing north is at least 2 more than number of persons facing south. Leave it. At least 2 persons sits to the right of you. Leave it. Next one. V sits fifth left of you. V sits fifth left of you. Leave it. V faces north but does not sit at any extreme ends. Leave it. X is third left of yes. X is third left of yes. Who sits to the immediate right of V? Here who qualifies? Yes. S is immediate right of V. S is immediate right of V. But here V sits fifth left of you. V faces north and V facing north. Friends, now V facing north. V facing north. Now S is immediate right of V. S is immediate right of V. So here V is facing north. Now S is immediate right. Now V faces north. Next one is what? S who sits immediate right of V. S is immediate right of V. Leave it. Next point. S faces north. Now S also facing north. Now before point is what? X is third left of yes. X is third left of yes. For yes, first left, second left, third left is what? X. X is third left of yes. Leave it. Next one. R sits fourth right of X. R is fourth right of X. But we don't know whether X is facing north or south. So one possibility X is facing north, other possibility X is facing south. Now take here V, next one is what? Here yes. Now our requirement is what? Here R is fourth right of X. For X, first right, second right, third right, fourth right is what? R. R is fourth right of X. In this case for X, first right, second right, third right, fourth right is what? R. R is fourth right of X. Leave it. Next one. Z and T sits to the immediate left of each other. Leave it. At least 3 persons in between T and W. Leave it. Next one. Friends, our requirement is what? Here V sits fifth left of U. V is fifth left of U and so V is fifth left of U, but we don't know whether U is facing north or south. Now V is fifth left of U. Suppose if I will take care U facing north means no chance to get. Y means we will get more than 9 persons and suppose V is fifth left of U. V is fifth left of U. If I will take care U first left, second left, next third left, fourth. See first left, second left, third left, fourth left, fifth left. How many persons here? 3, 6. More than we are going to get. That means here U facing north is no chance. Then only possibility is what? U is facing south. In this case. Now V is fifth left of U and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Different is what? Here U facing south. First left, second left, third left, fourth left, fifth left. Now V is fifth left of U. Leave it. Now in this case here V is fifth left of U. V is fifth left of U. So we don't know whether U is facing north or south. Take here one more possibility here. X is facing north. Now between 1 person gap. Now V. Next one is what? Here yes. Next one is what? Here R. Now our requirement is what? V is fifth left of U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One possibility V is facing north. Next possibility V is facing south. Now V 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now V is fifth left of U and V is fifth left of U. Leave it. Next. Friends, our requirement is what? At least 2 persons are sit to the right of you. The given is what? At least 2 persons sit to the right of you. So right of you here we are having at least 2. So right of you we are having at least 2. Minimum is 2 members. Now count how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No chance to get. Y means here total number of persons are 9. Now in this case, right of U we are having at least 2 persons. Now 1, 2, at least 2 means 1. Minimum is 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No chance to get. Now in this case, right of U at least here we are having 2 persons. We are having 2 persons. Yes. Now count how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 persons. Yes. Leave it. Next. For next point is what? Here Z and T sets immediate left of each other. Now Z and T both are immediate left of each other. Leave it. At least 3 persons in between T and W. At least 3 persons in between T and W. Suppose friends check here, if I take here T and between T and W, here we are having at least 3, yes, here there is chance to take. If I take here T and there is chance to take. Suppose if I take here T and Z both are immediates. If I take here T means between T and W here at least 3%, no chance. This side also no chance. Then take the funny spot here T, now the funny spot here Z. Our requirement is what? Z and T are immediate left of each other. Z and T are immediate left of each other. That means here T is immediate left of Z and Z is immediate left of T. Now between T and W we are having at least 3%. That means minimum 3%. Then this one is what? W. This one is W. Yes. Now take your remaining percents. R completed. Next one yes. Next T. Next U. Next V. Next one is what? W. Next X. This one is what? Y and remaining one is what? Here Y. Now friends, our requirement is what? Here number of persons facing north is at least 2 more than number of persons are facing south and number of persons are facing south. So totally here we are having 9 members and totally here we are having 9 members. So number of persons facing north is 2 more than number of persons facing south and facing south. Yes, leave it. Now suppose friends take here, now here number of persons facing north is 2 more than number of persons are facing south and. Suppose here south how many persons we got? 1, 2, 3 persons and south here we are having 3 members. Suppose 9 members means suppose friends here there is chance to take here 5 1, there is chance to take here 5 1 4. 5 1 4 means what? Here 5 is north, now 4 is what? South. In this case no chance to get minimum 2 persons more than. So I will take the funny spot 6, I will take the funny spot here 3. So here already we are having 3 members are facing south. That means remaining all are facing north only. Remaining all are facing north. Now W is north, next one is what? Here R is north, next Y also north. Now take here number of persons facing north is at least 2 more than number of persons facing south. So north how many persons we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons. So north we are having 6 persons and north we are having 6 persons. Now south how many persons here we are having? 3 persons. Yes. So number of persons facing north is 2 more than number here at least 2 more than here facing south. Yes. Condition is satisfied. So this is the given entire arrangement. Now take the question. Question number 66. How many persons sit to the right of I? Right of I, how many persons are there? 2%. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 67. What is the position of W with respect to Z? Position of W with respect to Z. First right, second right, third right. Answer is what? Third to the right. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 68. Find the odd one out. W facing north, S facing north, X facing south, T facing north, Y is facing north. Then answer is what? X. Y means option C. That means remaining all are facing north, but X is facing south. Question number 69. 4 persons between Z and now Z 1, 2, 3, 4 between Z and yes. So answer is what? Option B. So question number 69 answer is option B. Question number 70. Who sits second left of S? Second left of S. First left, second left is what? Y. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 71 to 75. Here the given is what? There are 7 cells P, Q, R, S, T, U and V in a almara. Leave it. Now friends, total here we are having 7 cells. Take a 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Total here we are having 7 cells. Leave it. Each cell has a different number of books 21, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46 and 51. The bottommost shelf is what? Number 1. Topmost is what? 7. Leave it. T is not immediately below the self weight 46 book. Now T is not immediately below the 46. Leave it. UV is not in self number 7. UV is not in self number 7. Leave it. R has a prime number of books. Now R has a prime number of books. Here prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 21 not a prime number. 31 next one is what? 41. Now R contains 31 or 41. Now so R has a prime number of books 31 or 41. Leave it. Next one. So next point is what? R has a prime number of books and is 2 cells below U. Now R is 2 cells below U. 2 cells below U means what? Second self. Leave it. Next one. So V is above Q1T. V is above Q1T. Now the given is what? V is above Q and T. V is above Q1 T, but qualifies V. V is below R. V is below R. Now take care. V is below R. Yes. That means here our requirement is for R is 2 boxes below U. Next one is for Q1TR below V. Q1TR below V. Next V is below R. Yes. That means these all are U below here, R below V, V below Q1T. Leave it. Next one. For next point is what? P is immediately above the self weight 41 books. Now P is immediately above the self weight 41 books. Next, self with 26 books is immediately below the S. Now 26 is immediately below the S. 26 is immediately below the S. Leave it. Self with 51 books is 3 self above the 36 books. Now 51 is 3 selves above the 36. Now leave it. S has fewer books than T. That means here T is having more books than S. T is having more books than S. Now S is having few books than T. That means T is having more books than S. Which qualifies T? T has fewer books than V. That means T having less books than V. That means V having more books than T, and V is having more books than T. Yes. So this is the given entire information. Now take it simply. U below, here we are having R below V, V below Q1T. That means once take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completed. 6 already completed. Now UV is not at top. That means here U. After U, R is 2 places below. This one is what? U R. Next V is above Q1T. This one is what? V. Now this one is what? QT, otherwise TQ. QT, otherwise TQ. Yes. Now take here U. One box, next one is what? R, next one is what? Here this one is what? V. Now this is the given entire data, and UV is not at top. R is 2 boxes below the U. Now V is above Q1T, V is below R. So V is above Q1T, otherwise T and Q. That means here I took total 2 possibilities. Leave it. Now friends, our requirement is what? Here P is immediately above the box containing 41. P is immediately above the 41. So friends, here P is immediately above the 41 and P is immediately above the 41. So friends, here R contains 31 or 41. R contains 31 or 41. Suppose friends, if I will take here P and if I will take here P is immediately above the 41. P is immediately above the 41 chance. Now friends, our requirement is what? Now 26 is immediately below. 26 is immediately below. 26 is here immediately below S, and 26 is immediately below S. Then this one is what? Yes. Now this one is what? 26. But here R contains 31 or 41. That means for P here no chance to take. Then this one is what? Here P. Now P is immediately above the 41. P is immediately above the 41. Yes. Now this is the only chance. Next, our requirement is what? Remaining is what? Yes. Remaining is yes. Now 26 is immediately below the yes. 26 is immediately below the yes. Leave it. Next one. Friends, our requirement is what? Between 51 and 36, here we are having 2 box. Here we are having 2 places. Now 51 and 36. Suppose 36 means 1 to no chance. 36 here means 1 to. This is the only possibility. Now this one is what? Here 51, 1 to. This one is what? Here 36. Next one. Friends, in this case take here. Now P is immediately above the 41. P is immediately above the 41. If I take here P is immediately above the 41 means now this one is what? Yes. Now R is 26. No chance to take. Now this is the only possibility. Now P is immediately above the 41. P is immediately above the 41. Now this one is what? Yes. Now 26 is immediately below the yes, and 26 is immediately below the yes. Now leave it. Now our requirement is what? Between 51 and 36. Here we are having 2 places. Now 51, 1 to 36. Now self with 51 books is 3 self above the 36. Now 51, 1 to no 51, 1 to this one is what? 36 chance. Then this is the only possibility. 51, 1 to this one is what? Here 36. This one is 36. Yes, leave it. Now our requirement is what? V contains more than T, T contains more than yes. Now take your given point. So when the given is what? S has few books than T. That means T is having more books than S. which has fewer books than V. That means here T having less books than V. That means here V having more books than T. Now, friends, now remaining is what? 26 books completed. Remaining is what? Here 26 completed. Here 26 is completed. Next one is what? 31 is remaining. 31 is remaining. Next one 21 also remaining. 21 also remaining. Next one 36 completed. 41 completed. Next one is what? 46 also remaining. 46 also remaining. Now remain 3 boxes are here. S, V and T and S, V and T. Now V is more than T, T is more than S. That means here V contains 46. V contains 46. Now T contains here 31. T contains 31. S contains 21 in this case. Now friends, V is more than T, T is more than S and T is more than S. Now in this case and now V is more than T, T is more than S. Now friends, here T is more than S and T is what? 36. Now V is more than T. So more than 36 here, remaining is what? Here 46. Remaining is what? Here 46. Now our requirement is what? The given point is what? T is not immediately below the self weight 46. But here T is immediately below the self weight 46. That means for this possibility, no chance. This is the only answer. Yes. Now take the given questions. Question number 71. Dash is the immediately above the cell with 46. Cell with 46. Which one is immediately above? R41. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 71. C. Question number 72. S has dash books less than P. S having how many books less than P and now P contains 51. S contains 21. That means less than how much means what? 30. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 73. There are dash cells between S and 36. Between S and 36, how many cells are there? S and 36. Between 1, 2, 3, 4 cells are there. Then answer is what? 4. Option D. Question number 74. Sum of the books in R, U and T. R, U and T and now R is what? 41. U is what? 26. R, U and T. T is what? 31. Now total is what? Here total is what? 98. Answer is what? 98. Option A. So question number 74. Answer is option A. 75. Cell which is the 3 cells above V. Above V 3 cell. 1, 2, 3. U contains total how many books? 26 books. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 76 to 80. More than or 12 persons are sitting around a circular table and all are facing towards the center. Yes. So friends, here we are having more than 12 and more than 12. Next all are facing towards center. Leave it. L is the left of M. Then for M facing inside. Now first left, second left, third left is what? L. L is the left of M. Leave it. Only one person is between L and O. L, one person O chance. This side also chance. Leave it. Next, O and M are not immediate neighbors. O and M are not immediate neighbors. Now, L, one person O, no chance. Why means O and M are not neighbors. Now, L, one person is what? O. Next point. After next point is what? 3 persons are sit between O and D. 3 persons are sit between O and D. Between O and D, here we are having 3 persons. Now, O, 1, 2, 3, D, chance. This side also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Take one more possibility. Friends, take here M, take here M. Now L is the left of M. First left, second left, third left is what? Here L is the left of M. Next, between L and O, 1%. Now the given is what? 3 persons in between O and D. O, 1, 2, 3, different is what? D. Otherwise, O, 1, 2, 3, different is what? D. Between O and D, 3 persons. Leave it. 2 persons in between E and D. Between E and D, 2 persons. Now, D 1 to A chance. Otherwise, D 1 to here. A also chance. Between E and D, here we are having 2%. Now, between E and D, 2%. D 1 to A chance. Otherwise, D 1 to A here also chance. Leave it. Next point. So next point is what? A and O are not immediate neighbors. A and O are not immediates. Now, that means for A here, no chance. A and O are not immediates. Now A and O are not immediates, then A here no chance. Between D and A 2%, this is the only possibility. Leave it. Next point. Next point. Friends, here P sits immediate left of A. P is immediate left of A. So P is immediate left of A and A facing inside. Now P is immediate left of A. In this case, P is immediate left of A. Leave it. Next one. T is immediate neighbor of P and M. T is immediate neighbor of P and M. T is immediate neighbor of P and M. Is there a chance to take? No, this possibility is wrong. Now, they given this part here. T is immediate neighbor of P is immediate neighbor of P and M. Yes. Now, between P and M, here we are having T. Now, T is the neighbor of P and M. Leave it. Next one. S is second left of T. For T, first left, second left is what? Yes. S is second left of T. Leave it. Next one. Only 2 persons between U and S. Between U and S, here we are having 2 persons. Now, yes, 1 to U, no chance. Yes, 1 to this one is what? U. Between U and S, 2 persons. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Take the question. Question number 76. Who is sitting second right of L? For L, first right, second right is what? Yes. So, answer is what? Option A. So, question number 76, answer is option A. 77. Who sits immediate right of A? For A, immediate right here, no one is there. So, answer is what? Option A, no one. Question number 78. How many persons sitting in the circle? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 persons. So, answer is what? 15. Option B. Question number 79. Who among the following persons sits sixth right of D? Sixth right of D. For D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th right is what? L. So, answer is what? Option C. Question number 80. How many persons are sitting between O and L when counting from right of O? Between O and L when counting from right of O. Here we are having only 1 person. So, answer is what? Option B. Now, question number 81 to 84. Here the again question is from data sufficiency. Among IA, GK, J and V, who is the tallest? So, out of given 6%, who is the tallest? Leave it. V is taller than J and G. V is taller than J and G. K is taller than I and G. Now, K is taller than I and G. K is not the tallest. K is not the tallest. Yes. Totally here we are having 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Here we know about G, next I, next J, next V, K. That means totally here we know about only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. Now, K is not the tallest and K is not the tallest. So, K is not tallest means for K here no chance. But here K chance, next here K chance, then we are having more possibility. So, 1 alone we can't say, go for 2 alone. V is taller than K and I. V is taller than K and I. Next, J is taller than G. J is taller than G. Next, V is not the tallest. V is not the tallest. Yes. Now, by using this one also, here we know about V is more than K and I. J is more than G. But V is not tallest. Here we know about V, 1, 2, 3. Next, 4, 5 persons we know. But V is not the tallest. V is not the tallest. Suppose if I take here V, then here K and I. But here J and G, V relations we don't know. So, 2 alone also we can't say. 2 alone also we can't say. Now, combine both and combine both. Now, our requirement is what? If you are going to combine both and if you are going to combine both, K is more than I, V is more than K. V is more than K. Next. Now, our requirement is what? V is not the tallest and K is not the tallest. Next one is what? J is more than G and J is more than G. Now, J is more than G. Next, suppose that means here if I take the funny spot V, now the funny spot here K. Next, our requirement is what? K is more than I and G. K is more than I and G. But here G is more than J. G is more than that means here remaining all persons and that means here V is more than K. V is more than K. K is more than I and G. I and G will be here. Next, at the same time, here V is more than J. J also will be here only. So, that means these 3 people will come here only. Now V and K completed. That means remaining is what? Here I completed, J completed, next one is what? G completed. I completed, next J completed, G completed. That means here remaining is what? Here. Remaining is what? A. Remaining is what? A. That means here A will be compulsory here only. Yes. Then who is the tallest among all? Answer is what? Here A. to answer this one, here both statements are required. So here both are required means answer is what? Here option E. Question number 82. How M is related to H and how M is related to H? Take first one. H is the daughter of P. Now H is the daughter of P. And sister of K. And qualifies H. H is the sister of K. By using one alone, how M is related to H? We don't know about M and H only. Leave it. One alone is not sufficient. Second one. S is the son of M. S is the son of M and husband of P. S is the husband of P. Yes. Now in this case, how M is related to H? We don't know. Now combine both. If you are going to combine both means now M, S, next one is part P. Now S and P both are couples. Now P minus S is plus. Now M is parent of S. Then how M is related to H? Gender of M is what? We don't know. So one alone can't say, two alone can't say, combine also we can't say. So answer is what? The data in both the statements are together not sufficient to answer the question. So answer is what? Option DN. Friends, data sufficiency means whether we are able to answer or not check. No need to calculate exact answer. Just to check whether we are able to calculate or not. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 83. How is NO coded in the code language? NO. Now take care. Statement number 1. One alone. NO is coded as. That means eliminate remaining. None, none. Next, that means here only information is what? NO. Then only code. Check here first line and second line only code. That means eliminate all common codes. Now NE eliminate. PA eliminate. NE eliminated. PA eliminated. Next one is what? LO eliminated. LO also eliminated. Yes. So friends, check here. NE eliminated. Next one is what? Here remaining information is what? SIC. Now only code is what? NO. That means by using one alone we are able to answer. So one alone is sufficient. Go for two alone. So friends, here two alone is what? Here take here two alone. Here the given is what? Here the given no. That means here only information is what? No. That means only code. Eliminate common codes. Here SC eliminate. Next one LE eliminate. Next one is what? PI not there. BA not there. That means NER SIC. That means there is chance to get two code. That means two alone we can't say. That means only one alone is sufficient to answer the question. Two alone is not sufficient. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 84. What is Sachin's rank from the top in the class of 25 students? Sachin rank and now. So total here we are having 25 members. Leave it. Sachin rank is 3 ranks above the Amit. So for Amit and Sachin is 3 ranks above. 1, 2, 3 different spot here Sachin. Sachin rank is 3 ranks above the Amit, whose rank is 18 from bottom. Now whose means what? Amit. Amit is 18 from bottom means bottom into Amit here we are having 17. Amit is 1%. So total how many persons here we are having? 25. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Remaining is what? 4. Now position of Sachin from top we can able to calculate. So one alone is sufficient. Go for two alone. Sachin ranks from top is 2 ranks below the Deepti, whose rank is 23rd from bottom. Now Deepti is 23rd from bottom and that means bottom to Deepti 22 members. Now Sachin ranks from the top is 2 ranks below the Deepti. Now Deepti 1 rank, 2 ranks below the Deepti. That means here 22. Before we are having 22 members means now 2 members comes down means here we are having 20 members. Now 20, 21, 22, 23. So total again total how many members? So 25. That means remaining is what? 3. Now. So friends, now in this case also from top here we are able to calculate. We are able to calculate here Sachin position 3, 4, 5, 6. We are able to calculate. That means one alone we are able to calculate. 2 alone we are able to calculate. So answer is what? Either one alone or 2 alone. Answer is what? Either one alone or 2 alone. Yes. So answer is what? Option C. Friend, data sufficiency means no need to calculate answer. Just check we are able to calculate or not. Now in first case here Sachin position from top we can able to calculate. Here also we can able to calculate it. Here also we can able to calculate. Yes. So simple answer is what? Both are alone. 8% A, B, D, G, M, S, T and V are in a family. B is the only daughter of V and now take the given one. B is the only daughter of V. Leave it. T is the spouse of V. Spouse means what? Here husband or wife. Leave it. And father-in-law of M. And qualifies here T. T is father-in-law of M. Father-in-law means what? Spouse, father. Now T is father-in-law of M is, now T is plus, V is minus. Now T is father-in-law of M. Yes, leave it. Next point. S is the father of D and S is the father of D. Take care. S is the father of D. So S is the father of D. Leave it. Who is the nephew of B? Who means what? Here D is nephew of B. D is nephew of B. So friends, take care. D is nephew of B. Nephew means here sibling, son and sibling son. D is nephew of B. That means B having one sibling. That sibling son is what? D. D is nephew of B. Leave it. Next one. A is the daughter of G. A is the daughter of G. Leave it. Who is? Who is means what? G is brother-in-law to S. Brother-in-law means possibility is what? Spouse, brother, otherwise sisters, husband. Leave it. Only 3 couples in the family. Leave. M is the only daughter-in-law of T and now M is the only daughter-in-law of T. M is the only daughter-in-law of T. That means here T having only one son. The son wife is what? Here M. M is the only daughter-in-law of T. Yes. Now, if in about D, S is the father of D, then this one is what? Here. Yes. S is the father of D. If in about S means, now they given is what? Here. Now G is the brother-in-law to S. G is brother-in-law to S. So, brother-in-law means possibility is what? Spouse, brother, otherwise sisters, husband. But spouse, brother, no chance to take. Why means our requirement is what? 3 couples. Here one couple, here one couple, take here also one couple. Now take this one is what? G. G is brother-in-law of S. Now, if in about G means our requirement is what? A is daughter of G. A is daughter of G. Yes, this is the given one. Take question number 85. How V is related to A? How V is related to A? Answer is what? Grandmother. Answer is grandmother. Option D. Question number 86. How D is related to M? How D is related to M? Answer is what? Son. Answer is option C. Question number 87. If X is the spouse of A, suppose X is spouse of A and X is the spouse of A. That means here X and A both are couples. A minus means what? X is plus. Then how X is related to B? How X is related to B means here daughter's husband. Answer is what? Son-in-law. Answer is son-in-law. Option E. Question number 88. Now take your given statement. They given 88 to 89 is what? Here they given questions are from inequalities. Now take given one. So friends, here the given is what? L is greater than A. Next one is what? A equal to G. Next one is what? A equal to G. Next, L is greater than T, then T is less than L. I greater than T, then I greater than T. Now take this one is what? I is greater than T. Take first conclusion. A and I relation is what? Both are opposite. Can't say. L and G relation is what? Greater than equal to greater than. So L greater than G. Correct. L and A. L is greater than A. Equal to A means wrong. So answer is what? Only 2 follows. Option A. Question number 89. Take your given statement. M is greater than Q. Now Q is greater than R. A less than R. That means R greater than A. R greater than A. Next one is what? M is greater than D. M is greater than D. Then D is less than M. Take first one. Q and A. Greater than. So Q greater than A. Correct. Q and D both are opposite. Can't say. Now Q and D both are opposite. Can't say. So answer is what? Only one. Option A. Question number 92. Now they give state question is what? Syllogism. Our requirement is what? Logically follow. That means here true conclusion. Now leave it. Take your question number 90. Only few pencil are pens. Now take here pencil. Some part of pencil is a pen. At the same time, some part of pencil is here, not pen. Leave it. No pen is a paper. A pen here. No part of pen is a paper. Next one. No pen is a paper. All erasers are paper and all erasers are paper. Now, eraser, this all eraser are paper. Yes, this is the given statements. Take first one. All pencil or paper is a possibility. All pencil or paper is a possibility. We know no pen is a paper. Here pencil is some part. We know some part of pencil is not paper. Then all pencil or paper is a possibility. Wrong. Why means already we know some part of pencil is not paper. Next one. All pen can be pencil. All pen can be pencil. Yes. We know this some part of pencil is not pen. What about my pencil and pen? Can't say. Pen there is chance to keep. Within this remaining part of pencil. Yes. All pen can be pencil. Yes. Next one. Some eraser or pencil is a possibility. Some eraser or pencil is a possibility. Here eraser and pencil relation is what? No pen is a paper means some part of pencil is not paper, some part of pencil is not eraser. Now eraser to pencil we can't say. Then some eraser or pencil is a possibility. There is chance to link up with some part of eraser with this remaining part of pencil. Yes. Now this one also correct. So answer is what? 2 and 3 are correct. 2 and 3 are correct means now answer is what? Option E. Question number 91. Only few chocolates are ice cream. Take a chocolate. Some chocolate is a ice cream. At the same time, some part of chocolate is, take care, some part of chocolate is not ice cream. All chocolates are biscuit, chocolate, this all chocolate is a biscuit. Next one is what? All ice cream are sweet. Now, ice cream, this all ice cream is a sweet. All ice cream is a sweet. Yes, leave it. Take first one. Some biscuit are not ice cream. Some part of chocolate is not ice cream means this some part of chocolate is part in biscuit. Then some part of biscuit is not ice cream. Yes. So first one is correct. Second one. Some biscuits are not sweet. We know some part of biscuit is not ice. We can't say some biscuit is not sweet. Why means? Yes, sweet is out of ice cream. If sweet is within the boundary of ice cream means then some chocolate is not ice cream, then this some part of chocolate is part in biscuit, some part of biscuit is not ice cream, some part of biscuit is not sweet. But here sweet is out of ice cream means we can't say. Second one is can't say. Third one, each means what? All biscuit can be chocolate. We know only some biscuit or chocolate. All biscuit can be chocolate means here all biscuit or chocolate means what? We can't say. Then all biscuit or chocolate is a possibility correct. So answer is what? Here 1 and 3 are correct. Answer is option E. 92. A few monitors are battery. A few means what? Some only. Some monitor are battery. Some part of monitor is a battery. Next one. Only battery is a keyboard. That means all keyboard is a battery. All keyboard is a battery. Now keyboard to remaining all parameter here we are having negative. Why means here they given only. Next one. Some mouse are battery. Some part of mouse is a battery. Leave it. Take first conclusion. All keyboard or mouse is a possibility. We know keyboard to here battery only we are having positive relation. Remaining all we are having negative relation. Why means here they given only. So here we know no keyboard is a mouse. Then all keyboard or mouse is a possibility. Wrong. Next one. Mostly means what? Some mouse is a monitor. Some mouse is a monitor. Mouse and monitor we can't say. Then this one is what? Wrong. Next, every means what? All monitor or keyboard is a possibility. All monitor or keyboard is a possibility. Monitor and keyboard relation is what? Negative. Why means they given only, but possibility no chance to get. So answer is what? None follows. Option A. Question number 92. Option E. Question number 93 to 96. If all the words are arranged in the English dictionary order from right to left. Right to left is what? Here. English dictionary order. That means here dictionary order means what? Low to high. So right to left is what? Low to high. That means ascending order. Then left to right is what? Descending order. Leave it. Question is what? Third from left hand. That means directly take third from left hand. So right to left is what? Here ascending order. Alphabetical order means what? Ascending order. Right left to right means what? Descending order. Then highest one is what? U. Second highest one is what? Here T. Third highest one starting on U. Next one is what? T. Next here O, A, G, M. Third one is what? Here O. So third one from left hand. Answer is what? OLD. So answer is what? Option D. B. Question number 94. If all the vowels are changed to next letter and all the consonants are changed to previous letter in the English alphabetical series, then how many words have at least a vowel? That means in each word we are having at least one vowel. Now, friends, you here if it is a vowel and if it is a vowel, change it to +1, consonant T change it to -1. Now take here. U vowel +1 V no chance to get. Yes before -1 no chance to get vowel. E +1 no chance to get vowel. Here no vowel. In this case O +1 no chance to get vowel. L before 1 here no chance to get vowel. L before 1 is what? K. D before 1 is what? C. No chance to get vowel. Here also none. A +1 B no vowel. N before M no vowel. T before S no vowel. Next T before S no vowel. E +1 F no vowel. N before M no vowel. Next in this case, J plus 1 here H, sorry, G minus 1, no chance to get vowel. O plus 1, no chance to get. T minus 1, no chance to get. Here M minus 1, no chance. U plus 1, V, no chance to get. G minus 1, no chance to get. That means if you are going to change vowel is plus 1, consonant is minus 1. Here in single word we don't have any vowel. Then simple answer is what? None. Question number 19, option A. Question number 95. If first and second letters are interchanged each word and then arrange the words in the alphabetical order from left to right, which of the following word will be the second from right hand? Now, the given one is what? Here, first and second letters are interchanged. That means one is what? Here, yes. Don't take entire, don't take entire. Why means we are going to arranging in the alphabetical order. Now, first one is what? Yes. First and second are interchanged means what? First one is what? Yes. Now this one is what? L. This one is what? Here, N. This one is what? E. Next one is what? O. Next one is what? U. Leave it. Next one. After that, arrange the words in the English dictionary order from left to right. So left to right dictionary order. That means lowest one is what? Here, E. Second lowest one is what? Here, L. Next one, N. Next one is what? O. Next one is S. Next one is what? U. Question is what? Which of the following is the second from right hand? Second from right hand is what? Yes. Now, S means what? Starting one. Starting one is what? USC. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 96. How many alphabets are there in English alphabetic? How many alphabets are there between the middle letter of third word from right hand? From right hand third word, T and 10. Middle letter is what? E. And first letter of the second word from the left hand. First letter of the second word from left hand. Here, O. Between O and E. Between O and E, how many letters are there? Now, E. Next, after E and O and F, G, H, I, J. That means here, E is what? Here 5, next O is what? 15. That means between how many here we are having means total here we are having total 9 and total here we are having 9. Yes. Now, friends check here. E, next one is what? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Y means here we are going to count up to N only. Here between E and O, how many letters are there means answer is what? 9. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 97 to 99. A boy started from A, walks north. A boy starting from point A and walks 3 km north. Then turns to eats, walk for 3 km. He turns to south, walks for 2 km. Turns to south and walks for 2 km. Next he turns to east and walks for 4 km more. Now he turns to east and walks for 4 km more. Finally turns to south and walks for 6 km. Turns to south and walks for 6 km. Next and reach to point B, then he stopped. Leave it. In which direction is the boy with respect to starting point? With respect to starting point, boy which direction here? East, west, north, south. Answer is what? Southeast. Answer is southeast. So answer is option B. Question number 98. What is the shortest distance between boy starting point and boy ending point? Now, we are going to calculate this distance and we are going to calculate this distance now. Friends, take care now. This one is what? 3. This one is what? 2. That means this one remaining is what? 1. So this one is 1 means this one also compulsory 1. Now this one is what? 90. This total is what? 6. This one is 1 means now remains this one is what? 5. One side is what? 5. Other side is what? This one is what? 3. This one is what? Here 2. Now this one is what? 3. This one is what? Here. This one is 2. Sorry. Now this one is what? 4. This one is what? Here 4. Now one side is what? 7. Other side is what? 5. Now hypotenuse square equal to 7 square plus 5 square. So answer is what? Here 49, 25. 49, 25 means answer is what? 74. Answer is what? Root 74. Answer is what? Root 74. Option C. Question number 99. What is the total distance walked by the boy? Total distance means then you add all distances. 3, 6, 8, 12. Next one here this one is what? 6. 12 plus 6 answer is what? 18. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 100. How many such pairs of digits are there in the number? 63, 58, 4 to 7. Each of which has many letters between them in the English in the number format. Yes. Now take here. The number series format. After 6 what will come? 7, 8, 9. No number. Leave it. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. After 5, 6, 7. No. 8, 9, 10, no. 4, 5, 6, no. 2, no. So forward, no pay. Take reverse. 7, 8, 9, no. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 2 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no. After 8, 9, 10, no. 6, 7, 8, no. 3, 4, no. That means only one pay. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 100. Option B.